Well, hey there. It's Sunday, November something. It's day 43 of Hurricane Helene recovery, and I'm on my last little assignment here to go fix a plumbing leak at a house we're working on. They got flooded, devastated on the first floor, 4 feet of water in their floor. And the sad thing about it, the chicken house was 10 feet underwater. All their chickens, 3 of them somehow got out. 8 of them, I think, drowned. It's a house built in 1897 on the National Historical Register of Deeds. It's pretty cool to get to work on a house that old and help restore it. Anyway, went to church this morning, good service, then took the granddaughters to Kentucky Fried Chicken, which I don't like to eat fast food, but they do, and went home and actually took a little nap. And then I went to a meeting with this house with the owner, Kendall, and her husband wasn't there, but Kendall, the lady, and Emily and Eric Brinker, who are heading this up, doing so much for so many people, and making a just to-do list of next and next and next. The house has already been gutted on the first floor, and now it's time to start building back. And the Michigan team was in there this week working on, got the water going and the electric going on the second floor. I think they're going to move into the second floor and live there while we, teams of people, rebuild the first floor. So then I went out to the Howard's Creek big job where my cousin Damien's been running the track hoe today, clearing the creek and clearing debris and keeping the fire going with Sheriff Bill out there. And I actually got on the track hoe. I'll slip a little video in here of that. It's the biggest track hoe I've operated, and I wanted to just familiarize myself with it so I could jump on it if need be when the other operators aren't there. And that's going good. Went to Lowe's and bought some stuff. I'm trying to see where I'm supposed to turn up. I cannot believe it's dark at 6:30. It's probably dark at 6. Anyway, it's been a good day, just doing a few things to get ready for the week, and got some people coming. I forget where they're coming from, but we'll take more. All of you, come help us if you can. Love you, appreciate you. Hope you've had a good Sunday. Peace out. And I'm back home, and now it is dinner time. Look at that fantastic meal my wife made. Hey, Darren.
Hey.
Darren made a fire. Debbie made food. Damien made a mess out there at the log jam today with the track hoe. Right, there's Lee. We've got neighbors here. There's Miss Heather. Debbie. Got grandbabies.
Hey.
Good way to end the day. Love you, bye. Down in the valley so low, I saw the fire burn, I saw its red glow.